Hello everyone students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Good. So in our previous class we have studied about the which process we have studied the function about the functions of the heart and the heartbeats. So that everything we have studied in our the last class. Now today we are going to start the next topic, that is the excretion in the animals. So students, I think you know very well what is meant by excretion. Excretion क्या होता है? All of you know that in our body the different kinds of wastes are produced, okay, and it is very important, means to remove that waste from our body. It's very need to remove all the waste from the body. So the wastage of the body that remove from our body, so by the process is known as excretion. Means excretion is what? It's a process of removing the waste from the body, okay. So what kind of waste are produced? Just like all of you know that urine is one of the waste of our body that is not useful to us, okay. Like that sweat is also one kind of waste of our body. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज ऑल्सो वेस्ट ऑफ आवर बॉडी, ओके. ये सारे क्या होते हैं? हमारे बॉडी के वेस्ट है जो हमारे बॉडी के लिए यूजफुल नहीं है, एंड इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू रिमूव फ्रॉम द our body, okay. So this is known as excretion process, okay. Excretion means the in the body the toxic substance which are not useful for our body, so that it is need to remove from the body, that is known as excretion process, and the part that involves in that excretion forms are known as excretory system. So today we are going to start the new topic, that is the excretory system in the humans. Means today you will learn about how the excretory system is work in our human body, okay. So waste are present in the blood also, and that has to be removed from the body. So how it's removed, that we will see by the mechanism of excretory, okay. In our blood the blood capillaries are present, and these are present in the kidneys. Means in kidneys blood capillaries are present. So when the blood reaches to the our two kidneys, जब हमारे blood टू किडनीज तक पहुँचता है, इट कंटेन्स बोथ सब्सटेंसेस, विच काइंड्स हार्मफुल सब्सटेंस ऑल्सो एंड द यूजफुल सब्सटेंस ऑल्सो. तो क्या होता है, जो यूजफुल सब्सटेंस है दे आर अगेन एब्जॉर्ब बैक टू इनटू आवर ब्लड, okay, and whatever the harmful substance, that is the waste which are not useful for us, so that dissolve in the water and remove as a urine, okay. Means from the kidneys the urine goes into the urinary bladder. Now you can see students in the figure 11.6 जो भी हमारा अननेसेसरी अनइम्पॉर्टेंट जो थिंग्स होते हैं, वेस्ट होते हैं, तो वो कैसे किडनी से जाते होंगे यूरिनरी ब्लैडर तक, ओके. सो these waste are passed from kidney to the urinary bladder through what? Through the tubes known as ureters. ureters के थ्रू वो urinary bladder में जाते हैं, वहाँ पे वो क्या हो जाते हैं? स्टोर होते हैं, ओके. So the urine is stored in the urinary bladder and it passes through the tubes known as ureters, okay. And these urine is after storing this urinary bladder, it passed out through the small opening known as urethra. वो यूरेथ्रा से हमारे बॉडी में से बाहर जाते हैं, ओके. सो यूरेथ्रा नथिंग बट दी स्मॉल tubes through that urine get pass out or it's removed through our body. So this is nothing but the human excretory system. So see this figure 11.6, you will get idea that how this human excretory system is work in our body, okay. And you know what students, in adult human how much urine is pass out, मतलब कितना हमारे नॉर्मली कितना दिन भर में इन 24 आवर्स हाउ मच यूरिन इज पास फ्रॉम आवर बॉडी, एंड मीन्स वन एडल्ट ह्यूमन कैन अप्रॉक्सली 1 to 1.8 लीटर ऑफ यूरिन कैन पास थ्रू आउट द 24 आवर्स. एक दिन में पर डे हमारा कितना लीटर यूरिन पास होता होगा? 1 to 1.8 लीटर, ओके. एंड वन मोर थिंग दैट इन अवर यूरिन कंसिस्ट ऑफ 95% of water and 2.5% of urea, and remaining 2.5% of the waste product, okay. जो हमारे किडनी में एंटर होते हैं ना, वो वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट. सो दिस इज द टोटल 100% कंटेंट्स ऑफ द urine. Okay, 95% of water, 2.5% of urea, and remaining 2.5% of waste product. So all of you understood how what is the human excretory system. Human excretory system contains which organs? Kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, and the urethra, and all these parts carries their own functions. Okay, so this is how our human excretory system works in our body. Okay, as I told you, like urine, sweat is also one kind of waste of our body. Okay, sweat भी हमारे बॉडी में से जो निकलता है पसीना, so that is nothing but the waste, and it contains the salt. Okay, salt present in our sweat. Okay, and other aquatic animals also waste excrete the waste. Okay, बहुत सारे डिफरेंट एनिमल्स होते हैं, लाइक एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स, अदर एनिमल, दे आर ऑल्सो एक्सक्रीट द वेस्ट फ्रॉम देयर बॉडी. मीन्स एक्सक्रीशन सिस्टम इज ऑल्सो प्रेजेंट इन दैट एनिमल्स ऑल्सो. ओके, now sometimes what happens, person's kidney stop working because of the infection and all. So क्या होता है, as a result the kidney failure and the waste product starts accumulating in the blood. वो जो भी waste हैं वो हमारे blood में ही accumulate होना start होते हैं. So such persons cannot survive unless their blood is filtered periodically. So through which artificial kidney, दैट प्रोसेस इज़ नोन एज डायलिसिस. जब उस पर्सन का डायलिसिस होता है उसके थ्रू, मीन्स आर्टिफिशियल किडनी के थ्रू, वहाँ उसमें क्या होता है, फिल्ट्रेशन कैरी होता है. ओके, एंड आफ्टरवर्ड्स दैट वेस्टेज गेट्स फिल्टर्ड, एंड दिस फिल्टर्ड वेस्ट, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट अगेन द सेम पर्सन्स kidney starts functioning well. Okay, so this is how our kidney perform its function. So this is the excretory system in humans. This is all about the excretory system in the humans. Okay.